Let's talk about one of the easiest backyard upgrades I've made this year. I was gifted the TBMLC 48-inch saucer swing for an honest review. Now, we've been wanting to add something fun to the yard that didn't require building an entire playground or spending a fortune. After doing some digging, we got an opportunity to review this saucer swing. It's large, holds a ton of weight, and looked easy to install, and it turns out it's all of that and more. The frame is a full inch thick steel, and it's padded all the way around with a foam sleeve for safety and comfort. The seat is a woven mesh, super breathable, and has a nice bounce without feeling flimsy. The 48-inch diameter is wide enough for two kids or even an adult to sprawl out like a hammock. And yes, I tested that personally. The swing comes with everything you need: heavy duty ropes, hanging hardware, and even a mini wrench to tighten things up. It took me about 20 minutes to assemble and another 5 to hang from the playset. If you've got a playset, porch beam, or a large tree limb, this thing is ready to go. Now let me tell you, this thing is a blast. My kids immediately jumped on it and started spinning and swinging, and it handled the chaos beautifully. No squeaks, no tipping, no loosening. But the surprise, I ended up spending more time in it than they did. It's like an outdoor lounge chair. What I loved: its super sturdy build, foam padding adds safety and comfort, big enough for kids or adults, easy setup and takedown, handles weight really well, no sag or sketchy creaking. What I didn't love: the included rope length may not work for all mounting situations. You may need extra straps. If left in the rain, the foam padding can get soggy, so we now cover or unclip it between uses. Some mild swaying when only one person sits on the edge, but nothing unsafe. This saucer swing is one of those things that delivers more than it promises. It brought new life to our backyard and gave the whole family another reason to spend time outside. So if you're looking for something durable, fun, and comfortable that works for both adults and kids, this swing checks all the boxes. Whether you're after backyard fun, a place to relax, or a gift that'll actually get used, I highly recommend it. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.